So I made this trip out to do some retail arbitrage about 40 minutes east of me. And I mainly came out here for one particular item. I was looking for a carpet cleaner or stain remover that Lowe's had clearance to 44 cents at this one particular store. Now I was smart, I ordered it online. It said they had 5 in stock, and I ordered it for same day pickup. And it said, all right, I'll take the drive out there. There's a Walmart right next door to it. I'll hit up the Walmart. So all the Lowe's near me have clearanced this pet stain remover to the $3 range. So when I found it for 44 cents, I knew it had to be a mistake. I knew that something wasn't right, but I said, hey, Lowe's.com, let me order it. So I picked up one in Syracuse on my way, drove out here, still hadn't gotten the email telling me I could pick up the other order. Went to the Walmart, and I had spent the part of today going through BrickSeek looking at what this Walmart store supposedly had clearanced and had on clearance, and looking for stuff that I've been buying at other Walmarts and looking for deals. And I made a list of several items that I wanted to purchase here. One particular item said there was 4 in stock, another said there was 7 in stock, the other says 14 in stock, one says 3 in stock. They didn't have any of it. This store was so screwed up. I spent probably 2 hours running around this store trying to find all of their clearance. They did have one section, one little aisle that had some stuff in it. It was mostly stuff torn apart, packages opened. It was just ridiculous. Clearance signs all over the place in the store. You get to that end cap or you get to that rack and there's nothing for clearance on there. And I double checked and I scanned, and I got to the point where I was frustrated. I walked up and down almost every aisle in the store, and it's a pretty big store. And I'm like, you know what? I am going to make the best of it. I came out here to get the good deal at Lowe's, so be it. Found some storage totes, they're right back there, for $1.50 a piece. They were not listed on the website, on BrickSeek. Did not have lids for all of them. I think I bought like 6 or so, and they're, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them, and I think 5 or 6 of them have lids. So I'm not worried about it, because what I'm going to use them for, it's not that big of a deal. So I was like, all right, I've at least found something worth my time being out here, right? Get a phone call from Lowe's. We're sorry, we can't find the item. We know you ordered 5 of them, and it says we have 5 in stock, but we can't find them anywhere in our store. I'm like, all right, refund my money, because chances are you guys were clearing them out anyways. So I said, all right, I'm out here. I got a little extra time. I'm going to hit the toy section. And being that I just finally got ungated in Lego, yes, I know that it's something popular, and I probably should have done it a lot sooner. I just never really went down that realm, because I know a lot of resellers do. There's a lot of competition, and some of the other items I find I can make a lot of profit and not have a lot of competition. So decided to hit the toy aisle and started scanning. The first couple things that I come across, not much room to play. Few bucks, couple of the clearance items, maybe $1 or $2, maybe $3. So then I started looking at the boxes, and I started looking for boxes that had a little bit of dust on them. Been on the shelf for a while. Scan them with the Amazon app, and at the price sticker that's on the shelf, no profit, couple bucks, same thing. Said, well, let me hit it with the Walmart app. Hit it with the Walmart app, and guess what? These things were not $19.97 as the shelf sticker said. They're $7. Well, here's another one next to it, also $7, and another one, $7. Oh, there's a whole lot of room for profit in there now. So I started randomly scanning boxes of Lego that were on the shelf, and was like, you gotta be kidding me. They have not marked down half the stuff that is on clearance. Sure did fill up my cart. So what looked like was going to be a day full of lemons turned into lemonade. So hustlers, you always got to be thinking outside of the box. You always got to be willing to try something, scan something different. You're not going to hit roses every single time. There will be roadblocks. You got to be prepared for it, and you got to be prepared to do something different. Alrighty, hustlers, that's my tip for you today. I want you to get out there and go scan.